I make him hype. Me take the boy out of American drunk and put him in an American eagle in a real blood clot life. I'm not talk for nobody laugh, nah, nothing, just the truth. You see me? When me know them boy, they are cat dip on them underpants. C-A-T, cat. Cat. You see me? They are blood clad friend and I send me thing go get this boy and thing. I'm send a piece of money go give my blood clad friend and say, watch you now, make the dog get this for my youth and get some grocery and think a storm come. People, you believe me say, in the time when time storm come, me send $70,000 go get it. Make food reach a little boy and me send on the barrel and things so the phone in the barrel make an iPhone 11 Pro iPhone 11 but the phone won't open. So me say take a 20 grand and go open the phone. You know say in the storm my house flood out with my son alone in my house. With the little boy, I'm a 12-year-old and him alone there in my house. My baby father left my son alone in my house. Right now, my son alone asleep in the house by himself. You get me? I don't know what I'm going to find my blood clot there. See me? I do everything what we can do, youth. I want this day, I'm share bring my video with me. But we never did know what going to happen, you see me? We never did know what going to happen. That's why I left my son behind. Just see. I'm a there with him father. Him have a roof over him head. Me no say me gonna make him get money when him forget money. You see me? There's not much I could have do really. And when me go there and see say people could have rolled them picnic. I remember me open it. And me open it so you can come through it. So me never did know. Him left the little boy upon him own and somebody called me from Capchaland and said, cheese. You see popping at the rain. I asked somebody for $100. $100 now. I'm selling what money to give my blood clot pitney. I'm selling what money to buy food to give my blood clot pitney. And you have my pitney, I beg people money. Oh. I hold everything like a G. You want more time to see me come back from my clients up. And I talk to people, you want? It's when I feel better. When we talk to you, always sometimes they ignore me. That's why I can't tell the truth in every day, brother. I'm all for a bumper blood clot problem, them, you see me?